Ready to catch your first fish, but don't know what rod to choose? Picking the wrong rod can turn an exciting first trip into a struggle with tangles, backlashes, and fatigue. But the right beginner rod makes casting smoother, handling easier, and learning faster. In this video, I'll share the top fishing rods for beginners, affordable, versatile, and perfect for new anglers. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Berkeley Spinning Fishing Rod, a solid choice for those just getting started with fishing. One of the biggest hurdles for beginner anglers is finding a rod that's easy to cast, forgiving, and reliable. This model checks all those boxes. Right away, you'll notice how comfortable the grip feels. The handle is designed for extended sessions without causing hand fatigue, which is especially helpful when you're learning technique or spending hours by the water. The rod is made from a quality composite material that balances strength with responsiveness, making it easier to feel bites, even light ones that beginners can overlook. Casting with this rod is smooth and predictable. A common issue many new anglers face is backing off the spool too early or getting tangled because a rod isn't forgiving. Berkeley's design helps reduce those casting errors, so you spend less time untangling line and more time fishing. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, or panfish, this rod's medium action gives you versatility across a range of freshwater species. Another big advantage is the overall value. New anglers shouldn't feel pressured to spend big bucks right away, and Berkeley delivers dependable performance without hurting your wallet. The rod also pairs well with most entry-level spinning reels, making it easy to build your first setup. While it's not designed for heavy-duty saltwater fishing or big game species, the Berkeley Spinning Fishing Rod is a trustworthy starter rod that helps beginners build confidence and skill. That's why it earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Shakespeare Micro Spinning Rod, a great rod for absolute beginners or young anglers taking their first steps into fishing. What makes this rod stand out is its lightweight, ultra-forgiving design. Beginners often struggle with casting accuracy and handling, especially when rods feel too stiff or heavy. The Shakespeare Micro was built to be easy on both technique and fatigue. You can cast all day without sore wrists or tired arms. This makes it perfect for kids, teens, or adults who want a comfortable introduction to fishing. The blank is a graphite composite blend that offers decent sensitivity while remaining strong and flexible. That means you'll feel even subtle fish bites, which can make a huge difference when you're developing your fishing instincts. Its comfortable EVA handle also adds to the ease of use, giving you a secure grip in all conditions. Another benefit of this rod is its simple, straightforward setup. Beginner anglers don't need to overthink gear. Just attach your reel, set your line, and you're ready. The rod pairs well with light to medium lines and smaller freshwater species like bluegill, crappie, trout, and bass. While this isn't a heavy-duty fishing rod, so it's not ideal for big saltwater species, it's an excellent stepping stone into the world of fishing. If you want something affordable, easy to use, and confidence-boosting for your first fishing trips, the Shakespeare Micro Spinning Rod deserves its number 4 ranking. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Shimano Silera Rod, a beginner-friendly fishing rod that blends quality, performance, and ease of use. Perfect for anglers who want something that feels a bit more serious without being intimidating. Shimano is a name anglers trust, and the Silera lives up to that reputation. What sets this rod apart for beginners is its solid backbone and smooth action, which make both casting and retrieving easier and more consistent. You don't have to worry about stiff or erratic responses. The rod loads evenly and delivers predictable performance, which quickly builds confidence in beginners. The Silera's blank is made with a quality fiberglass composite that's lightweight yet sturdy. This balance makes it versatile enough to target a variety of freshwater species like bass, walleye, catfish, and trout. You'll also find it easy to practice different casting techniques once you're ready to go beyond basics. The comfortable handle and ergonomic design reduce fatigue during longer sessions on the water. Beginners often underestimate just how much time they'll spend casting and retrieving, and having a rod that feels good in your hands makes all the difference. Pairing this rod with a basic spinning reel is straightforward, and its design helps reduce tangles and casting mistakes, a major plus when you're just starting out. It's also durable enough that you won't feel like you need to replace it quickly as your skills improve. Overall, the Shimano Silera rod offers a blend of quality and beginner friendliness that makes it an excellent midpoint in your gear progression. Reliable enough for regular use and capable enough to grow with you. Coming in at number 2 is the Garcia Vengeance spinning fishing rod, a fantastic option for beginners who want a step up in capability without sacrificing ease of use. Right away, this rod feels solid in your hands. Garcia is known for producing gear with good balance and durability, and the Vengeance is no exception. It's built with a sturdy blank that gives you confidence to cast farther and handle slightly larger fish than typical beginner rods. That's a huge benefit if you're planning to fish lakes, rivers, or ponds where species like bass, wipers, or pike could show up. Even though it's more capable, the Vengeance remains very beginner-friendly. The action and power are well-tuned for medium weight lines and lures, meaning you don't feel overwhelmed when learning casting techniques. This rod helps reduce common beginner mistakes like backlash or awkward casting angles, which makes learning smoother and more fun. The grip is comfortable and ergonomically designed, so you won't fatigue quickly during longer trips. Another advantage is that the rod pairs seamlessly with most spinning reels, making it ideal if you're building out your first fishing setup without compatibility headaches. Durability is also strong. The materials and build quality help resist wear and tear even if you fish frequently. That means you won't feel like you have to upgrade immediately after a few trips. If you want a rod that's comfortable for beginners but doesn't limit you as you improve, the Garcia Vengeance earns the number 2 spot, a dependable choice that bridges the gap between entry-level and performance fishing. Taking the top spot and earning the title of Best Fishing Rod for Beginners is the Stick GX2 casting fishing rod, a legendary choice that's been helping anglers of all skill levels catch fish for decades. What makes the GX2 stand out is its exceptional durability and versatility, which is why it's number 1 on this list. Beginners often worry about breaking their gear, especially when they're learning casting, fighting fish, or exploring different fishing spots. The Stick GX2 is famous for being almost indestructible, combining strength and flexibility in a way that few rods can match. The rod's blank uses Tech construction, blending graphite and fiberglass to give it a responsive yet forgiving action. That means you get enough sensitivity to feel bites, but also enough backbone to cast accurately and fight larger fish. Whether you're targeting bass on the lake, catfish in the river, or even panfish from the pier, the GX2 delivers consistent performance across conditions. Another big advantage for beginners is confidence. You don't have to worry about snapping this rod off when learning new casts, and it holds up well even when you get overzealous with heavier weights or tricky retrieves. The comfortable handle and ergonomic grip make long days on the water much more enjoyable too. Pairing this rod with a basic spinning or bait casting reel is easy, and the overall balance feels natural, a huge plus when you're still refining your technique.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!